Hello everyone, my name is Dimas, and today I will explain how to write a program in Python. The first step, choose a code editor. Use an IDE like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. But on this video, I will use the origin for Python IDE. The second, create a Python file. Save your script with a .py extension. The third, write code. Start coding using Python syntax and proper indentation. The last one, run the program. Open a terminal and run the script with a Python file name .py. Okay, I will show you my script. This is the system login. The system is first, the system will ask to you, do you want to log in? So you must enter yes or no. If your answer is not, the system will say we will start again and ask you again the first question. If your answer is yes, you go to the next step. The system will say step 1 verification. And you must enter the password. The password is admin1234. But if you write the wrong password, the system will say login denied. Okay? And then you will back in the first question. If you enter the correct password, the system will say login success. And then if you not say yes or no in the first question, if you not answer yes or not in the first question, the system will say please input the correct answer. So you must to enter yes or not for the first question. Okay. This, if I read no, if I answer no, the system will say we will start again and ask me the first question. If I say yes, the system will say step 1 verification and I must to enter the password. If I enter the wrong password, login denied. And the system will ask again first question. If I type or enter the right password, the system will say login success. Okay, this is my video how to make or write the Python script. Thank you.